There are moments for you, dear Gemini, that will feel like peace. Peace of mind, it's what it feels like. Moments where you are able to place your feet firmly flat on the ground and recognize that it's not about making 300 different decisions in your life right now. Coming back to that peace, which is only ever accessible in the present moment, by the way, and recognizing, hang on, it's okay. I can make one decision at a time right now. That's really all I need to be doing. I'm not focusing on 300 different decisions based on the idea that I've got to change everything that's occurring and this whirlwind, I've got to try to stop this tornado. And no. You can't anyway. There's nothing you can do about it. You got to let it pass through. And whilst it's passing through, I want to say this to you, and I don't know how, well, it depends how much space you have in terms of how you can take it in. Whilst the tornado is passing through, it won't actually affect you because it has nothing to do with you personally. It has to do with things that are in your life that no longer need to be there. And perhaps that's what the tornado may shift around for you. And once the dust settles, you'll be able to recognize, oh, wow, this is actually the transformation I needed. I just didn't know that this is how it was going to occur. So for now, it's focusing on one decision, being present with this one decision, and that's where you'll continue to find your peace of mind.